Good morning. Good morning. Tough one today, guys. Tough one. I am dragging. Good morning, Francis, Robert, Tech T, Timbo, Predator, Robert Scalper. I'm dragging today. I did not sleep good. No sleepy good. All right, 6407 to 10. Resistance. 6416 next up. 34. $94 to 83 supports. All right, got those levels. All right, let's see what we got here as far as news. I know we got Jackson Hole today. Morning, Matt. Nasdaq went from 23K last night. Yeah. Takamara, Pozo, what up? Powell's at 10 a.m. Having internet issues, Pozo? No bueno. I think Powell speaks at 10 a.m. Trump speaks at noon. Like, you know, it's Jackson Hole day. I'm going to look for something early, but then after that, yeah, I don't know. We'll look for something early, and beyond that, I don't know what we'll do. What do I do? I'm missing something. I'm bullish today. I am on my funded futures at 10:30 a.m. Eastern, so the stream will end at 10. And I'll be on my funded futures at 10:30 a.m. So I wasn't able to get anything special for you guys today on my funded futures, but when I go on, I'm going to go on later on in the month. I will have my own special thing. So they did say yes, but just not for today because they already got other stuff going on. But good morning, Coper. Stone in the house. What up, Dale? So I got these levels marked out. I'm really looking like we already smashed through everything. I mean, we came super close down here to that 23,070 or 23,000 level. So I don't know, man. This looks pretty bullish. You know, if we just go to the higher time frame here, it looks pretty bullish here. Unless we inverse this 15-minute back down, or you really just can use the hourly. Unless we inverse this hourly back down, then I don't see how. I mean, the only way I would be looking to get short is if we inverse the hourly, right? But this looks very, very V-shaped. Bullish engulfing on the hourly. You got relative equal highs sitting up here. I don't see how this level doesn't get hit. So I'm going to be looking for longs into this level. Maybe we rebalance the hourly. Bounce off the open or the close price, fill the gap right quick at open, and then kind of go up and hit those equal highs or relative equal highs up there at the 360s. It's kind of my thought process. So maybe a rebalance. Judah swing back down to the VWAP into that open close area, and then push up. We'll see. What up, Design? Jumia. Oh. Guys, I got up and took my kids to school today, and I came back home and went right back to sleep. I don't normally do that, but I was like just exhausted. I was like, man, I cannot. I can't do it. Oh. Woo. So anyways, that's what we'll be looking for. Again, Powell 10 a.m., Trump at noon. What up, Trader Oracle? Showbit, what up? Bullish Unicorn. Let me look. Let's just go to like the 15-minute. I mean, the 15-minute, I think, probably looks the cleanest. That would have you longing from like 165, maybe 190. I'm not 100% like certain on how those things work, but Trump speaking at noon. What platform has the best all-in-one price? Donovan, right now, funding ticks is $50, no activation fee. And they do have a little bit of a strange rules. Looks like a swollen testicle pattern on the 30-minute. Let's go. Trade day is $59 all in. My funded futures is around $73 all in. Take private traders, $103 all in. Futures desk, what is the cost of it all in? I think it's around $50, $50 or $60 as well. So you got quite a few options there for the all-in price of around $60. You know, somewhere between $50 and $70. But the cheapest, I think, is the funding ticks, $50 right now. That would be the cheapest. Futures desk have trade of 8. I don't think they do. I don't think they do. When I look at the platforms, I only see Rhythmic and Trade Day X, or Futures Desk X. You don't think funding ticks allow scalping? I don't know, Steam. I mean, what do you mean by scalping? Because, I mean, I've been scalping on funded ticks, so if I get denied, I don't know. What up, Jonathan? Paul in the house. Paul in the house. Hopefully they allow scalping. Morning clarity. That won't be good. That won't be good. I'm going to take the 15-second trade today. I think I'm going to just concentrate on it. Your Visa gets declined for some reason. I don't know, Show, but I don't know why that is. Mine that happens to me on my Fan and Future sometimes. Trade days, everything. They have Ninja, Rhythmic, Tradeify. They have everything. They have X, I believe. Tradeivate. Did I say Tradeify? I think I might have said Tradeify. I'm sleepy. I'm so tired. I am so tired. When I get off here, literally, I'm gonna stay on until 10, and when I get off, I'm gonna run and jump in the shower right quick to like wake me up before going on to My Fun of Futures TV. Copy trader you can recommend? Snell, all copy traders have issues. I use Replicanto. You can get 20% off with Methodical 20. I use Replicanto mostly, but I like the copy trader from Beulah or from Quantower. You can copy across multiple props. I'm also using TradeSyncer. So, which one's the best? It's really up to interpretation. I would say Replicanto is the most consistent. So, please don't botch it today. We are so close to payout. Yeah, Matty Matt. Today is not a day, guys, to put the foot on the gas. Today is a day to get your money and get the F out. Or don't even trade the funded accounts. Today is that day. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, Matty Matt. Let's get it. But today may not be today. Today may not be the day. I'm just telling you. Like, you got Powell speaking and Trump speaking. And the market's going to do some funky things. So, I'm going to take the opening range trade. If I see something that makes sense outside of that, I'll take it. But other than that, I'm in and out. I'm going to be in and out. And when I go on my Fund Futures TV, I'm going to be down to a micro, most likely. Exactly. Base hits, Mike. So that's my plan for today. It's a day to get in and get out, for sure. Get in and get out. Morning, Dean. How you doing? We will be over at My Fund Futures TV at 10:30 a.m. So I will stream today through 10. I'll probably take a nap and then come back on in the afternoon. Come back on for Power Hour, 2:30, 3 o'clock. Should have a little bit better price action then. Just trying to look and see, like VWAP down at 215, 217, 225, 220. I mean, I'm thinking at open maybe we push down into that 220 area. So I don't want to really short. All right, let's see if we can, if we push up, where do we hit our head on here? Kind of the 280, 290 area. Minute and a half. Esvin, how you doing? Up 400, so you locked yourself out. Steam staying very, very smart. We had a bearish open last few days. Today might be the opposite. Yeah. Bite Beauty, you already done? Great job. Well, yeah, I'm going to take the opening trade. I don't really, I mean, I'm kind of leaning, I'm bullish, but I'm kind of leaning for a move down at open. But whatever way it triggers, I guess, is the way we'll take. Not even going to worry about that as far as that goes. If it loses, it loses. I'll put those accounts away and not feel so bad about it. So let's see kind of what happens. Good morning, Stradiver. And then we'll switch over. We may look for a regular trade, like I said. We may not find anything. We'll see. That will just depend. Oh. $15 seconds. Here we go. All right. Let's see what we get. Okay, I'm in and out here. Make sure I'm out on everything there. Where's my orders tab? Clear over there. Okay, let's take profit trader. Should be clear there. Okay. Okay. Let me turn everything off. Off. Got 98. Let's go. Turn in the copy trader off. Copy traders off. Okay. All right, looks like we hit it. Worked out nicely there. $80. And let me get this on the right time frame here. Somehow it's on the 1 minute. Not quite sure how that happened. Nice bounce here on the recovery of the open close. If I was looking, I probably would have taken that. We did tap down into that hour. Did we get into the hourly? I think we did. What do we got here as far as stop loss? 23 points. Okay. So I made around 250 on that across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 accounts. 8 accounts there. I hate it when it gives me those errors, but I don't see any orders anywhere. So we should be good. Big. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. ES pulled back there, test that 6402 level. I'll take this 1 minute if we get it. Re-entered up 200. Let's go. So nice clean opening there. I like it. How did the 5 second fare? I didn't even look at it today, man. I'm going to be honest with you. And the 5 second, oof. That's questionable. I might have lost. Might have lost. It was close. Just too hard for me to take both. Oh, I should have, I got this inside bar indicator on. Baller or bust. Need 400 to pass TPT so I don't have to pay for the rebill. Clarity, that's tough. Man, that's so tough. Today's not a great day to try it, but I want to put this inside bar on over here on the, let me do that. I'm going to put it on over here. There we go. Got it on over here on this other chart now. Good morning, Mad Moxie. How you doing? Too bad you didn't have a happy accident on the first morning trade at open 60 points. Dang. Yeah, I know. That's the thing. Like, on some days, those trades just go. Some days they don't. It's like you never know, right? And it never works out for you in that way. All right, Take Profit Trader, 40% off on all accounts today. Somebody try to use my code, Take Profit Trader, 40% off. It says 1 use per customer. But I'm wondering if it's going to work for every code or not. Good morning, Veridadis. Tradeify 40% off. That's what it says, code for, but it doesn't say whether it's on. It says 1 use per customer. So I don't know if it works for every sale or not, or for every code or not. 40% off Take Profit Trader as well, Clarity. But yeah, did I say Take Profit Trader? I may have said Tradeify, 40% off. But we need sales on Take Profit Trader too, for sure. For sure, for sure, for sure. For sure, for sure, for sure. I did say Take Profit Trader. I'm tired. All right, I'm going to take this here, guys. Nope. No close. You could just tell that wasn't going to close. It's actually weak looking. Yeah, it's just for one, Jonathan. But it's on all accounts. So you could pick up a straight to funded and stuff like that too, probably for that amount. But just one. Looking for my base hit here. Come on. Give it to me. Come on, give me my base hit. I don't really see a reason for it to stop here. I'm going to take the 200 bucks. I'm going to take the $200 there. I do think it's going to go, but at the same time, you know, I just think taking the $200. All right, it works. Let's go, Timbo. Thank you. So this kind of makes, you could long off this pullback. If it retests 258, I don't think that's a horrible idea to long off that level. So we might try that. Obviously, stop is still got to be 20, 25, 30 points, 23 points. Didn't quite retest that inverse. One and done, Francis. Let's go. I didn't want to take this on my funded just because I wasn't quite sure. But I might take it here on a retest of the 58. Maybe it makes sense. Maybe it doesn't. But I wanted to see a pullback and a retest of like that. Actually, now that I look at it, it retests the open of the 5-minute candle there. That's what it retested. You're afraid to trade with minis? Yeah, I mean, I get it. I might long off that 58 here, just looking for my 10 points. All right, didn't get it. I think we're headed to that 370 area. What's the win rate, Aaron? I don't know. Mine? Probably 65, 70%. Just depends. I mean, if you're talking funded accounts, it's probably better than, definitely better on the fundeds than the evals. Put in an order block here. 300 level. We pull back kind of into that 295 maybe. Unicorn delivering, nice. Pull back into that 285, 295 level. From down 900 to up 300. I don't know why 8 weeks. Previous day high 370. Yeah. That's what I'm waiting on. Coveper, that area there. Unfortunately, I didn't get in on the funded. This one funded account that I got left that I haven't traded. So trying to wait for a pullback into like that 295 area. Just never got it. Runner took the rest. Let's go. Yeah, pretty kind of an easy read, right? Judah swing it open. Clear buy side liquidity up here, 369. I wouldn't mind longing back on this refill of this gap here. The rebalance of that gap. Or if we can get some side of inside bar on the 5 minute that's bullish. You know. I'll have to risk a little more on this trade than I really want to. $550. So if we can pull back into the 295. I did get it, Francis. It's on here, but I'm using the 1 minute. I also got it over here on the 5 minute as well, which is where I really need it at. I could probably turn it off here. Inside buy. Inside buy. Well, let's see if we get tagged in here. Late to the game, so we might take some heat on this, or it could lose. Who knows? Yeah, I hate weeks. This could lose. I mean, it's not like this is not an ace. It's not like an A+ setup here. How close that came to getting us there. So dirty. 3 points. 2.5 points. No, 3.5 points. 15 minutes set here. I don't know. Feels like I could just jump in. The problem is, I know as soon as I jump in, it's just going to rip my face off and pull back. Move your stop and hit only to rip back up. Yeah. Francis, yeah, you just right click, go to indicators, add indicator, type in inside buy, and then change it to whatever color you want. I made mine white. But you can make yours whatever color you want. All right, if we pull back and bounce out of the range here, I'll take it. Oh, gosh, I missed it. I mean, we tested it to the T there. I was thinking we might pull back into the range a little bit, and then on the break back above the 15-minute range, I can maybe take it long. Oof. Oofka. Oofka. I don't know what that is. Came back and rebalanced that gap. I think if we get back above the 15-minute range, we could push pretty quickly. Would have just tagged me in there and I would be out already. Do have a 30-second kind of confirmation entry here too. I don't know what that was, Matty Matt. I'm just watching here. Let's see here. I mean, I think if we break through that, I do think if we break back above this 15-minute range, we go. But I don't know. Good, 329. Man, it's so close to the high. Dial Twister was on the urinal and got the post wee shutter. Got something. I'm just trying to find a spot here to maybe get in. Watching, there's a small 30-second opportunity here, but it's not, certainly not fantastic, but theoretically it should work. All right, I'm in. I want to see this thing just push, just blast right back above that high there and go. Stop to break even will be at the high, by the way. All right, took my 5 points there. I think it hits it. I think it does go, but there's no way I was going to let that come back on me after being up 10 points, basically. All right, up $100. What up, Vala? What up? So all green on the day there, guys. All green on the day. I mean, not huge, right? Not huge. Be ready for pre-piles and shenanigans. Let's check it out. So here we go. This is the P&Ls. You see, we got $200 over here. So we didn't quite get the base hit amount, but close enough. Bulanox, 227. My Funded Futures, $100. There you go. So yeah. Up 85 of micros, building the green today. Let's go. That's going to be it for me on the trading, guys. This morning, we are leaving here in about 9 minutes to. We got to go over to My Funded Futures TV. So when I'm green, even small on Fridays, I'm skeptical on keep trading. Yeah, I'm not trading anything else. Nada. I have no idea. Trader on tilt. He's speaking at 10. It's the only thing I know. And you know, we just lock it down. Vala, you take any trades this morning? Let me pull you up. Nailed the bottom. Didn't hold it, dang. So that bottom touched the bands, I'm assuming. Touch the bands. Yeah, I liked the long. I wasn't going to just naked buy the open, but we closed the gap right at open. We closed the gap, right? And then the recovery I usually like for a long. And I was not paying attention, and I missed the entry here. Nice clean long. I mean, really nice. I think 369 is kind of where we're headed. So, yeah. But 3 trades today. 3 for 3. 3 for 3. Close the copy or just leave one cheap eval open. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I am actually going to pick up another eval for trading on the My Fun and Futures TV. If you guys are unaware, we are going to be on My Fun and Futures TV this morning from 10:30 to 11:30. Join us over there for a little trolling or whatever you want to do. Jump in there and troll me if you want. Troll me if you want. I don't mind a little troll action. A little troll action. 10:30 a.m. But I'll be ending the stream here in about 7 minutes. Here, I'll get you guys the link. Let me get you guys the link. Let's get the link. They may, obviously they always do giveaways on there. Anything, I don't know anything beyond that, what they're doing today. But they always kind of have giveaways. We'll be doing, I'm going to be attempting a 12-hour stream next week. Probably going to be Monday. Valas, I didn't get back to you on DM, but Monday probably will work. I'm probably going to be doing a 12-hour stream Monday, starting at 3 a.m., ending at 3 p.m. Or maybe like 2:45 to 2:45. Wait, and then there'll be a couple of little breaks in there. And then Tuesday, tentatively, we will be doing. Well, that's what I was just. Oh, Barbie's. Well, Bull Barbie's on My Fun and Futures TV every day. But Tuesday, tentatively, I will be doing a joint stream with Bull Barbie as well. So that'll be a thing. That's not really confirmed yet. And then one day the following week, we will we'll be back on My Fun and Futures TV. Yeah, Clarity, I saw Nutty say that. Good luck to him. That's all I'm going to say. Good luck on a 24-hour stream, because telling you guys, on a 12-hour stream is very challenging for a 12-hour stream. For 24-hour stream, man, that is going to be insane if he's able to pull that off. Good luck. I don't doubt Nutty. I mean, I think he'll probably, I was talking, talking about it earlier. And I think he'll probably take some sort of, he'll probably sleep that day. And then, that should give him a little bit of extra oomph. So, yeah, Vala, get that 24-hour stream. Load up on Coke. Yeah, the 12-hour stream, I mean, it's doable. But I'm still very tired at it. And he's starting his at, I think, the worst time. I don't think it's smart to start it at 6 p.m. But I guess it's not that bad. Your first 6 hours, 6 to midnight, should be okay. But that midnight to 3, going to be very tough. And then once you kind of hit 3 3 to 4, 3 to 5-ish is fine, and then 5 to 8, very, very slow. Those are going to be the very tough times. When the fam goes on vacation next summer, let's go. Yeah, I don't know that I could do a 24-hour stream. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Not without some sort of some sort of nap or something involved. I got to have something involved there. Now, I don't know if he's going to take like a couple of hour breaks. That might be what he does. Maybe he takes like an hour nap, hour and a half nap here or there. That might make sense. So I'm sure he's thought it out, planned it out in his head, and, you know, good luck to him. I mean, it's a tough thing to do. So look at this thing pull back here. Might get a confirmation long out of this, but we do have Powell speaking at 10, guys. This is kind of that pre-Powell shenanigans that one of you guys was talking about earlier. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Remember, guys, in order for us to do Take Profit Trader giveaways, we do need 5 sales per day. I want to be able to get the giveaways done by next Thursday. I do not know that I'll be here on Friday. I do think I will also be on the futures desk at some point next week. I think it might be Thursday. I'm not even sure. They asked me to come on, but they didn't send me a confirmation or anything, so wait for them to send that to me. But right now we need 24 more sales. 24. In order to do the three 150K giveaways. 24 more sales, and I'll give away the 350K accounts. I will do another giveaway today, this afternoon, once I get back on my own stream. Time alone to do a 20. Yeah, exactly. You didn't know he was talking at 10. He is. So Powell's at 10. Trump is at noon. So that's what I was telling you guys. If you didn't get your profit in already, it might be best to just go touch grass until the afternoon. And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I don't think there's anything wrong with that at all. Nothing at all wrong with that, because it's going to be tough. It's going to be tough. I don't even know if I'll probably be on a micro on my Funded Futures TV. I'm going to just take 1 micro trades if I get it, and that's it. I'm not even going to be on a mini. Let me get this off here. The last time you said this, I blew an account. Yeah, don't do it, Manny Matt. Walk away. Shut it down. The mini, exactly, Jonathan. Exactly. But guys, I want to go run take a shower before I go on my Funded Futures TV, so I'm going to end it here. I will be back this afternoon. There's the link at the top of the chat if you guys want to join me over there. Come troll me. Come say hi. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Whoa. There's buy side. Powell must have on a green tie. I don't know. But anyways, guys, I'll fire the stream back up this afternoon. And we'll see you guys then.